In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy checklist in Microsoft Planner. This is a helpful technique when you already have a task with a checklist and you want to reuse the same checklist again, either in the same plan or in a different plan. Instead of rebuilding every checklist item manually, you can copy the task and choose where it should go. Start by going to your plan called Project Management. Once you are on the board view, locate the task named Identify Goals and Objectives and click on it to open the task details. This is important because the copy option is inside the task view, not on the main board itself. Inside the task, click on the More Options menu, which is typically shown as a small icon near the top area of the task window. In the menu that appears, select Copy Task. This opens a copy panel where you can control what gets duplicated and where the new task will be created. Since the goal is to copy a checklist, make sure the checklist is included in the items being copied before you complete the action. If you skip that, the new task may be created without the checklist, which defeats the purpose. Next, in the Copy panel, click on Project Management to choose the destination plan, and then select Archives. This is where the copied task will be placed. Take a moment here to confirm you have the correct plan and the correct bucket or section, because this determines where the duplicate task will land and where you will find it afterward. When everything looks right, click Copy. Microsoft Planner will create the duplicated task using the settings you selected, including the checklist. After copying, click on the More Options menu again, and then click Archives to switch your view so you can confirm the copied task is now in the Archives area. This quick check helps you verify that the copy worked and that the checklist came through as expected. Finally, click Project Management to return to your main plan view when you are done reviewing. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.